Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today I want to talk about an ideal teacher. A teacher plays a pivotal role in the process of education. Theoretically, no teacher will ever become totally ideal. Becoming totally ideal would mean that the teacher has achieved such a level of perfection that she or he of perfection no longer require further efforts toward improvement and consequent growth would be checked. An ideal teacher usually possesses this characteristic. He has undeniable command on his subject. He knows fully the content of the subject which he has to teach. Truly, exceptional teachers are scholars and are constantly reading and upgrading themselves in their subjects. The tone of expression of the ideal teacher is not gruff, annoying, and done but is pleasant. An ideal teacher has a good sense of humor, but this fun is not of impolite nature. An ideal teacher has the highest degree of integrity. An ideal teacher is susceptible to adaptation or modification. Learners are genius, gifted, mentally retarded, dyslexed, emotional, disturbed, and some patience is required for employing carefully individual teaching. Learning techniques for individual learners. Only in this way, bits of progress can be observed day to day. An ideal teacher is self-confident. The ideal teacher is a model of self-confidence. It is a source of great pleasure, and they show it in their facial expression and in their positive attitude around the school or the staff. One key to be up there is having a good self-concept. Students do not like an unsympathetic and harsh teacher. They can judge the real works of the teacher within no time. They can make sacrifice for their teacher. If he has great that much self-confidence in them, they worship a teacher who always remain impartial and treats all his students alike. The worth of teachers is not measured by the number of seats he wins, but by the amount of help which he renders to his students. If he is fearless, earnest, and sincere in the discharge of his duty and his sympathy toward his student, then he is bound to be an object of the devotion and admiration of students. Thank you.